Hello, this is me, Ryzen. Today we are gonna show you my Dogman books. This is Dogman Wuthering Heights. This is Dogman Unleashed. This is Dogman A Tale of Two Kitties. This is Dogman Crime and Punishment. This is Dogman For When the Ball Rolls. This is Dogman Fetch 22. This is Dogman Brawl of the Wild. This is Dogman. This is Dogman Cat Kid. This is Dogman Ward of the Fleas. This book makes me like something is attacking over here. Look. Next up is this one. It's very funny because there's like, it makes me feel like there's a planet with a cat head. And I'm gonna show you something super funny. It's the funniest. It's not even like Fruit Loops. It does not even like look like Fruit Loops or anything. Look. Wait. Look. Grease Grouch. Kitty Clean. Look. Again, Super Salmon Crisp, Fish Loops, Lunch Bags, Mud. Look, a car. It's a crocodile, but you can also draw here. You could draw on all the Dogman books. But this one is the most coolest one because this is easy. 4 steps, get these, and then make these, and then make the sky, and then decorate him. And then we have Dogman. Look. Bye bye, Froggy. Duh, my shoes are getting married. Duh, this apple tastes funny. It's kind of funny because they're like, I'm gonna show you how they like get so funny in this book. I'm gonna show you. Just gonna find the page. This is Bookum Dogman. The Bookum Dogman is like a cartoon. That's it for today. For Ryzen's. Oh. And look, this is Flippy. He could talk and fly. Look, this guy got it wrong. His name is Petey, but he called him Buster. And you know dogs like bats, so why does he call him in the bat? I'm gonna show you. This is like a flip-o-rama thing, but I do not think if Dogman doesn't know if Dogman likes a bat now. This is Dogman for when the ball rolls. Dogman, this is how Dogman got afraid of balls. Look, when he rips a card, ADHD, the ball robot guy, he puts Dogman in the water. And that's his punishment for like ripping the flashcards. And I'm gonna show you the page. Just wait. Need to find it. Look. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, Dogman. It's me. I know you're scared, Dogman, but the city needs you. Knock, knock, knock. You're a good boy, Dogman. But that doesn't mean very much. Look around. the city is filled with good people. That's how we not to got scared of balls anymore. And I'm gonna show you the pretty part. Look at that. Those are stars. I do not even know how many stars. This is Dogman Tucked. This one. Look at the purse, girl. Just look. Look. And next, the Lord of the Fleas book. I'm going to show you something funny in this book. And do not say it to anybody. This is very funny. Here, look. This is very, like, super funny. Look, look. I'm gonna show you it. Hey, Papa, knock, knock. Would you cut that out? You're supposed to say, who's there? Come on, Papa. It's a really awesome one this time. Who's there? A sidewalk. A sidewalk who? A sidewalk pooped on your head. Do not say that. Last one. Last final question. Let's talk about Puppy. He's kind of funny. Just look. He even, like, can dance. And he got his clothes. Look. Okay, this is the end of Ryzen's channel. If you want to see my 3 helpers again, comment, please subscribe, and like in the comments below. See you next time. If you want to watch my videos again, spell D-Donuts. If you want to see me and my helpers again, these are volunteers. See you next time. Bye-bye. This is the end of Ryzen channel.